here, Mr. Masala, one of the great halal food restaurant in Los Angeles. We order our food and we are going to the kitchen and they are cook for us and I tell you how does it taste. This restaurant also from the people come back from Bangladesh. They are cooking traditional Bangladesh, Indian, Pakistani. I go there and talk with them about their background and about what they're cooking. Please stay with us to hand off this video. Thank you. Okay. What's your famous dishes?
Okay, our famous dishes is chicken tikka masala, butter chicken,
Okay.
chicken tandoori. Some people like starter, lamb samosa, and chicken samosa.
So we are going to enter the kitchen right now. Masala, yeah?
This is chicken tikka masala.
This is chicken tikka masala.
That one chicken tikka masala and chicken biryani.
Okay. This is chicken tikka masala. Which one is chicken biryani?
No, this one is
Chicken biryani we are making.
Oh, you're making chicken biryani.
Yeah.
And this is chicken tikka masala.
Uh,
And this is samosa. Over 30 years. We had another business in Los Angeles. Lot of famous people come here. There is Staples Center and Convention Center. So when it's convention, we were very busy. We are in the dining. But right now we are okay. We are happy that people ordering from us, they help us in the COVID-19.
You guys how the shopping, the food, meat, all the halal, everything is halal, yeah?
Everything is halal, 100%.
100%
Yeah,
halal.
yeah. We don't sell any wine or beer here.
So this one, now you put the rice on the top of the chicken, yeah?
Yeah.
Chicken.
Now they make, this is become
Chicken biryani.
Okay.
This is, I make right now chicken tikka masala.
Okay.
We put tomato,
Okay.
little bit salt,
Okay.
chicken tikka. It's we cook already from the oven. We put like almost like 20 piece chicken or 18 piece, depend how it's big. We put tomato puri, bell pepper, and we put masala sauce, 1 spoon sugar, and we put butter. And we make everything depend how customer order, like medium plus or hot. And after this one, onion sauce, and we put a fire and wait for going to be like thick, and it's going to be like chicken tikka masala. So this is the chicken tikka masala recipe from Mr. Masala. Okay, this is the saag paneer recipe. 2 piece tomato
Okay.
and salt, and we put tomato puri, bell pepper, and we put little bit butter and spices Indian, and we put peanuts, and we put like 15 piece cheese.
Okay.
And that's it. And we put onion sauce. And this is very popular dish, Mr. Masala also, like vegetarian. You put 1 spoon milk. This is saag paneer.
This is empty plate. Our delicious food is ready from Mr. Masala restaurant location in Los Angeles. What's your name?
My name is Salma.
Salma is here to explain me everything about this food. Start from chicken tikka masala, okay?
This is plain naan.
Okay. Wow, so delicious. It's soft, a lot of masala inside, really delicious. Let's try the only the masala. Now, let's try the biryani.
Okay.
Okay.
This is chicken biryani.
Chicken biryani, yeah? Okay. So what's inside the chicken biryani?
Like the biryani masala, we put lot of mixture like cardamom, cinnamon,
Okay.
and chili,
Okay.
and turmeric, ginger, garlic, onion, lot of
A lot of spice inside,
spices.
yeah?
And we mix with the rice.
Okay. Let's see what's there. You feel different kind of spice. And let's try the chicken. How is it?
We also have the lamb biryani.
Oh, that's the lamb biryani.
Yeah, shrimp biryani.
Okay.
Mushroom biryani also.
Mushroom biryani also. Wow. Wow. Delicious. Not too much spicy. If somebody don't like the spicy, it's very perfect. Like I'm okay with the spicy, but most of the time I eat mild spicy. This is really good for me. No any issue.
We get spice like how people like.
Okay.
Yeah. So mild, medium, and hot. We do very hot also.
It depends the people order,
Yeah.
yeah?
How
Wow.
do the people order?
So let's try with the chicken leg, yeah?
Yeah. Leg and thigh.
Leg and pie tandoori, yeah? Okay. I totally forgot the sauce. This is hot sauce and this is sweet, yeah?
Yeah. This is mint sauce.
Okay, mint. Uh-huh.
Yeah. Mint and cilantro.
Mm-hmm.
Yogurt, ginger, garlic.
Okay. And this is
This is tamarind sauce.
turmeric sauce, okay. Chicken tandoori is so delicious, also kind of crispy, and inside really good. Let's try this one with sweet sauce. No.
Chicken tandoori first we marinate
Mm-hmm.
like 6 hours ago.
Okay.
We marinate. Then
Okay.
we cook in the oven, tandoori oven.
Tandoori oven, okay. Let's first try the paneer, then we go to that side. This is the paneer.
Saag paneer.
What paneer?
Saag paneer.
Saag, okay.
Saag paneer or
Okay.
palak paneer.
Cheesy. You feel cheese in your mouth. The taste is kind of juicy. try with the onion pakora. Yeah? This onion or what else inside?
Onion and brown flour.
Okay,
Like
okay,
peso.
okay. This is veggie sambosa.
Yeah, veggie samosa.
Which you recommend? Which sauce you recommend? Sweet or
Both?
both?
Yeah, you use both.
Okay. Inside potato.
Potato and peas.
Here, okay. Wow. Just a regular white rice.
Lot of rice.
Yeah. Tell me about this juice.
This is mango lassi.
Mango lassi, yeah?
Yeah, mango with yogurt.
There we go.
Yeah.
When you drink this juice, you feel back home. Like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal. We eat all food. That's the food. So delicious, amazing. Appreciate for everything. Appreciate for good welcoming.
Yeah, thank you for coming for a long drive. Yeah, thank you for you like our food.
Any halal restaurant, we go, test the food, and support each other, and support the business, support Muslim community, halal food restaurant. That's why we are here.
Our restaurant name is Mr. Masala.
Okay.
And address is 949 South Tikka Street,
Okay.
Los Angeles, California 90015.
Okay.
It's in the downtown,
Okay.
LLI, corner of LLI,
Okay.
and near the Figueroa Hotel.
Okay.
And we are open 7 days.
Oh, 7 days.
Yeah,
That's
7
great.
days from 10 p.m. to
Okay.
10 p.m.
10 to 12 hours.
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. Awesome. Thanks for everything. Guys, don't forget subscribe our channel, share with your friend, family, and support each other. Thanks for everything. Ya Allah. Assalamu alaikum.